Today, for your word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about double consonants and the sounds they make. On Monday, we talked about the double consonants using double C's and double G's. Today, we're going to be talking about the different sounds, or how many sounds those double consonants make. So, let's do a couple together. You're going to read through all of these words and differentiate between them having one sound of the double consonants, or do you hear two sounds? Let's do a couple. The first word I'm going to look at is vaccine. Vaccine. If you can hear the vac with the first C and the scene with the second C, that's two different sounds. So you're going to come down here, click once, and type the word vaccine. V-A-C-C-I-N-E. Because the double C, you can hear two different sounds. Now, there will be some words in here that will only have one sound, and I'm going to show you one right now. Directly under vaccine, you hear or see the word attic. I'm going to say the word again. Listen for one sound from the double T's or two sounds. Attic. Correct. There's only one sound there. So the double T is actually only making one sound. So you will click under here for one and type attic. A-T-T-I-C. Make sure you take your time and sound these words out. Do you hear two sounds from the double consonant, or do you only hear one sound from the double consonant? When you're all done, make sure you have all these words in the correct column and your spelling is correct before you click Submit Assignment for your teacher.